Freedom is found in the choiceless awareness of our daily existence and activities. Time is the psychological enemy of man. Man cannot come to truth through any organization, through any kids, through any dogma, through any priest, not through any philosophical knowledge or psychological technique. He is to find it true. The understanding of the contact of his mind through observation, not through intellectual analysis. Man has built in himself imagination as a sense of security. Image are religious, political, personal, symbol, idea, and belief. These images are cause of our problems, for they divide man from man. This connect is common to all humanity. Freedom is not choice or free. Division between the observer and the observer into illusion. There is not a technique to truth, no mates, no steam, no direction, no gurus, no authorities. All eminent दूसरा चैप्टर ऑल एलिमेंट physicologists agreed that the most precious atoms of blood enter into the composition of the semen. The substance of the which of the generative organ is attended with a noticeable increase of the bullet and mental vigor and spiritual life. Debility of intellect and especially of the memory contract memory characterize the mental aliens licementus. There is no monk like a householder with a genuine brand of mind. A man suffers much if the members of his family are not imbued with holy religious zeal. subject of God. To define him is to limit him. To determine him is to negate him. Of him we can only say that he is. God is the most powerful vibration in the universe, and the divine life is itself in expression. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in a man. What not to have been done is well when done. Start the day with God and the day with God. Fill the day with God. This is the way to God. Blessed are those who are like small children, for they shall enter the kingdom of God. Where love is great, the littlest doubters are fearless. Where little fears grow great, great love is there. There is no philosophy in the world as elevating as the of the Upanishad. It has been the salute of my life, and it shall be the salute of my death. Germany, Safi Hour. When we read the philosophical books of India with the European genius are constant to bend our knees before the philosophy of India.